What's up guys, it's Ethan here. Today, I'm in another vehicle. I tend to make my annual YouTube comebacks in a different vehicle. But I bought what is probably the ultimate Volkswagen. You guys can't tell just by the sound alone, this is not your average Volkswagen. This thing is pretty wild. Anyway, I'm gonna pull up to my usual walk around spot up here and tell you a little bit about the car and show it to you. So enjoy. Well, this kind of sucks. My my usual view spot is all taken up by construction equipment here. But this is my new 2013 Volkswagen Golf R. And if the sound didn't give it away, it does not have the factory FSI 4-cylinder motor in it. So I'll go in here and pop the hood. So as you can see here, this is a full 5-cylinder swapped Golf R, 2.5 liter inline 5 with a custom big turbo setup. It's not making insane power right now. We're on a low boost tune to preserve the life of the transmission. It's got an upgraded clutch, but transmission's only good to hold up for so much power. But we should be right around 400 wheel horsepower on this thing right now. Of course, this is all-wheel drive because it is a Golf R. But it's quite the sleeper from the outside, and you wouldn't really know too much is going on. Besides the, you got wheels on it, and if you look in the front, this has some massive Porsche 6-piston front brakes. It takes up the whole wheel, and you can see how insanely close this clearance is. It's pretty wild. That's the car. This is a 2013 Rising Blue Metallic. Ultimate color for a Golf R. It's a pretty badass machine. So right now my plans for the car, it's not to daily it or anything like that. I got my Tundra that I daily. This is just kind of my fun show car I'm gonna build up. Do some more aesthetic stuff too. We're sitting on adjustable Bilstein coilover, so I might drop it down just a little bit more, but right now it's a really good, comfortable ride as is, so I don't want to mess with that too much. First mod is going to be taillights for sure, and then we're going to start working on some aero pieces like diffusers, side skirts, front splitter, maybe a little wing extension of some sort. Nothing too crazy though. I'm not going to go over the top with this car. I want to keep it simple and clean as it is right now, just make it look a little bit more aggressive. But I'm going to try my best to film everything I do on this car because I do enjoy making videos and tend to disappear from YouTube for a while, but this car deserves some recognition. It was built by 4Season Tuning down in Orange, California, which is local to me, luckily. So any questions I have on the car and like adjustments I need to make to it, whatever, those are the guys that are gonna help me out with that. But I'm still learning about this car as I go on. Obviously, I'm not the one that built it, so I don't know every detail, and if you ask me in the questions every single detail, I probably won't have the answer for you because I bought the car as is. It was too good of an opportunity to pass up. This is definitely a dream build for a lot of people, including myself. Anyway, I'll start it up and give you guys some sound clips from the outside. As you guys could hear there, I'm sure this thing sounds pretty wicked, man. It is not your average Volkswagen. But yeah, soon I'll film a whole video with the sound of it and everything like that. Right now I've got a slight little exhaust rattle I need to look into. It's only noticeable sometimes. I know it's somewhere back here because you can kind of touch the tips there and it goes away. But that's the car. I hope you guys like the build and you're as excited about it as I am, because this thing is an absolute animal. I'll have a lot more driving content to come soon, but for now, just keep a nice, short, simple little walk around video just to introduce the car to the channel, and more videos to come for sure. But thanks for watching, and if you guys have stuck around with my channel for a while, I appreciate you a lot. Hopefully this time's the actual comeback. See you guys next time.
A brighter future coming soon.
You're the old school 3RS? Badass. Yeah, nice. Oh my god, that's insane! Oh my god! Oh my Found the GTI boys.
Yeah.
That was them.